So how do you turn on a microphone on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, there are more places to check out. First of all, inside of your settings app of the iPad, go to the privacy and security section, right? So you just scroll through the main panel on the left, and inside the privacy and security, you should be able to locate the dedicated microphone section. So this is what you do when you want to manage individual apps and what app has access to use the microphone, right? So if you have it turned off for some individual apps, then it will not work inside of those, of course. So make sure you have it turned on. Outside of that, you can also check out the sounds section of the iPad's settings page. And in there, you also get to select the input source, right? So this is especially useful if you have a third-party microphone connected through the USB port or whatever, right? And that way you get to select which microphone will be used to capture the audio, right? So perhaps you want to use the built-in microphone of the iPad, but if you have some Bluetooth accessory, or as I said, some connected mic over the cable, then you might just select that one to make sure that the sound only goes from that source, right? So that's how you can enable and turn on a microphone. These are the two main places. It kind of depends on your specific situation. So in case you have some questions, let me know about those below, but I'll see you later in the next videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.